mama kakra se enye se bia enkofo bi na AI akritipa ne se no crazy free Dr. Bawumia soye any NPP dia ne ne meka se NPP ayi ho pa o se show mu yi
sa
oh yes se sa pa de ebia ne enkofo bi na eye di o mu din ye de
am say me de me fi di kase we no atitiro for ne 40 program no I can show you evidence. Just in Kodi NPP General Secretary. Wapostu. And the General Secretary Postua. Now to say, official.
Anyway, and you're not messing with
Ghana Web. Ghana Web, boy, idea. Dr. Afriyie, I'm on the post first. And I just Kodia. Yes.
Ono so MPP ni a Ato free ni no NDC ni.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm fancy.
I'm
fancy no. No kase no ahwe.
Okay. Yo. Adofonum ni umu ni se ni awonu mu keka na enye no kore. Da etwato a yewura Kennedy Ofori or the cook a fence China or bedru Ghana clan some few days ni. Na sisi and focus on any businesses say obere any projects ahodura oye na fe all planning for a dapoti or the official statement beba no it will go in favor of the base no ni anadwin wo sisi ya oye apart from we are ho call bedi try no ye kan ho asem no woni NPP ni official engagement bia nti then na sa sorry we be done from him say o mama an appointment in any case no political structures and said anye proper sa obi a wa rise drew presidential candidateship no unju nkan mo nyina mu say odo mo ye policy whatever eno kra enye sa Tiro MPP no a display on ignorance a very bad say at this particular time such a political party etimia follow from grass to grass na propaganda and almost start a year just to score a political point no madam. I'm so disappointed. I mean at the end in a moment cost of form sare obi abomuduana. What's going on? Also,
Aboso ba mitio.
I'm just say obi abo NPP party ni Diana. Me here because of late, as woman need but a papa yes woman so into BBA about Kennedy. So be fabricated story just to discourage Ken a teacher for no. And no idea. Because open here. Say that's sorry. Na akompo consider the base no kra na oma no sako back to MPP no be nechi you follow no
kai
ni be yes ye wi sabi don ye don yagina tum ayi nim you be ni ayi ntra na no nkyere say baby odi ye kro no mo ye na ni nechi na MPP na ede yes ye bo enti no mu nya ni omo ye no omu the only thing they say, Papa no beba be jina the base dimo kwa abato so nia support no nia Akoto abama no. Anything apart from this? No. And work it.
Abaso.
And work it.
Mino di nkoba misra kwa WhatsApp. Mina sene o. Dr. Afriyie propaganda. Just inkodia propaganda. Na neshe kwa WhatsApp. Na Ghana
we
fake omni babontin
look at that we anyway
look
we justice Kudia from Bon
when you
na pointed letter be no de man no wo mo ye no social media na
ti Kennedy Agyapong am say em ko for me phobia apostle be Kennedy Agyapong kwaje appointment am say apostle don't ka ho and say me frɛ wi
there we also the woman say say no yen shade ni obi a officially okasama kompreko eno so ye ade a ama loophole abeda ho a omanya kwan to me ye ne omo ye no say ye will be a I think so suggest now this particular time you appoint you be officially or kasa on behalf of a company kunte banasa saadi when you better ne te kra so enye fine enye it's not good at all
edia wonya hwe uni ni nkomo na utimi ko yusu ni tin and me to social media say den NPP for no mo je abaso
alata for baby osu nyame po okun a obodam enti baby edru no megiri se ebi na Ato NPP for no omopo maningu ya se kese pa enti na omototo omopatoto ayampi akansemo a enim fabricating yamama ni yefefefe de ehunya mwako ni fie mwankono kwa mpaso wajemo enu nsema be yo oto office ya sedie no wanumu na chochonsi hunu na de akugu baby si appointing no hwan enu asense enu na bema office se so appointing no so ajatuma na wonyintu mu no enu na bema yen ya saba back se ye beto aba ma NPP ana tabi enya hio didie no ayewo no mama yakoma class mo we no asama bufu a ne ewo ma NPP no asa top up enye misre mo wa America mo da so NPP mu no mo ma ni mre ene mi ameyonko ni oye chairman o UK no ni aneyire eken ho a wonte no ho asi mi yonko de semboni we na media misusu se omo na no minimum no muntu omofo omo party no bi ase no e adoson ye etai
na amoso mami musao adentina Kennedy Agyapong eni komo wonu nkotra sikre bia na mutimi kwose na ku ebeto bonten esa some respect anameboa Otrofo suban de sanity onipa onye no kwafo no nipa ku a omonka no kore ene ankronkro ma trofo no sa no musumate da ni na meka salata fo be no si nyame po okun obo damtino me yidi se asobrachia ne tintin no do mo koti bia bi mu je se je kenkran na ti o mani suno mo hyenyansa sela ne eto o mo no o mo hyenyansa omunyenyanza enura mitua no ko panyi na echiri o mame kwanya me de ne tin betugwa wadi akoti no NPP mu a o branches bebre nenura na o sonse ehimfo no de ya na ekom o na aso fifim na koye endiwe nenura ekoho otonsa frame ne wife me koye yekugina ku na nem ye de t-shirt kakra ene ye de ye forms ye de koye ekosomno na ni abresesi ya wose the TV station na yemfan to just obi o woni area obi ampehia nso no oni anome register e won ho wow so na nenkobudie mu no yeah nenkobudie mu se papa me no kasa me mpese me NPP edini so any by disappointed pao enti kodua onye very one beso me NPP din
me na me catch ro ayi nungo until situation is more serious than maybe ni omuninim. Intimacy because ya secretary for bibliaba. Unkwa obreso secretary no. Enstonsuye no sondodo. Wafumwache unyai. Uye kukesi say secretary. Na ubi ewu dizeni ya TikTok sona ubi ewu dizeni small boy. I mean how? Church on him basa. That's very shameful. That's very bad. Anye
abaso nyena mehu amos na the base for any babontin say a fake ye betrogu mu no adom sa ko share dem say be apostle nkomo yi maybe me put the base t-shirt the base t-shirt what sign signature be me dada no masa ko signature data bi I say Kennedy Agyapong
eno so ewo ho na eno kra na man ye more serious because impersonation onipa bia no wo ya saade no a embrem itiamra so A more serious issue, say, over impersonate to be, they achieve BB. A very, very dangerous. Na omano nenuma ya harinti netesa, nankagana pa die, enikwa se ikubi ni ankwankwabu ankesoso omusasa. Momutumi nye tumi ye nomupe. Tai. Very, very bad. Enye kura ntimesre. Moma yankatakata so nukure wumu bia yemfantuga enjesa oma Tróuble no ebese nkofo adwene ma omo gidie no ebia baby omo ni access to information be resa no yenimre omo so no masa omo adwene edesa atro ne to ho amomi respondo omo dia trosem no to ho esese respond ye combat ni kwasi ejai man da hosa no
aboso atro no to wa ese respondo na ultimi akosan obi signature without your consent na bibisaw
me say a crime enye a crime a serious
aboso me na say hwe Kennedy signature no hwe kwa mfa so ye hwe ena me na say no hwe kwa mo na say no WhatsApp hwe e kwa mo fa so esani wana bu signature no ena me na say no WhatsApp no Net2 TV ne sonso. Hwekwa mo sa efas.
On say was sign bi pen. On say peace park no kura no osign bi. Enti for them to have the signature.
Ana no mo yusu ye.
Oh was sign yema bebre. Enti no nyame momo. Even performing in our signatures, because of impersonality are very simple because they have been in the system, they have been in offices, they have done a lot of things. Make crime their credit fiki. Technology. Now, who is a Kennedy Senkoba accepted before? And first of all, or the statement because for now, no. Yenina tiasie se ehia so kasa onu so ate ne ho ase otini ba bia ama ne ho ato no kura na soma dwo no wotumi hwe niam ananka politics no ba no ntimi hwe nyina no ojo these sectors enje de na prekope obetima sneke na because I mean how can this be possible no nanka ne bodyguards nko abe frame aka say baba baby our papa keka kro na nye o Atoro semsa de
Aboso Aremeyaw kasai enkofo bi se wana botita fo se enche bia no sa signature ya omo sign ya with that wana bu kan ni concern no omo ne kokot Monday sansem no o kan asam say aboso
eye bibia me san omusu omunyai ena well ebia na ebetuma boy dachi me de me nya homre because every aye nhihye de ama bekwai ene adwura ene kura de efija sechere kura sa be ka ho ye practically nhihye koso agya atija ne mpenifu adaroma the community mobilization program aba woman building team say clergy for Ken the abesi so yemfa enipa woman ni model no mo pepa magana ni yenko chire the base yenko ya woman pe project nyina kan ye hom ye die tu anamon me betan NPP for Ato for ho sa minya sa time no enti me encourage me ni anu say ekwan wo mo ho omfa kokot
ekwan wo mo a omfa force signature ya Obi Owusu Kennedy Agyapong as on court.
Yes, na could you be chilling quite fast? Unya, you are compre signature. Or the yes, I let and go to my Facebook or say WhatsApp, so then. It's so nice. NPP Nakas opinion, are they? Oh, yeah, never took a
Abaso, NPP is say, is it a do chronobana, Abaso?
Mini movie only, I mean to mention any more near no more.
Where they chronobo, Sadio chronobo.
And your chrono aside, but a crime.
No, to inform somebody without knowledge, consent, say what signature?
And yes, small crimes are dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Very, very, very dangerous. And yet. Now, but your Munyan people before you be Miss Awam say, a dear no person much you would sign me.
Apostle, maybe I son Kojo Kyeremanteng, Unimuno. Oh, on an area, what any carrier of one or more acquiring for some students and Jumano, one kind of Kojo Kyeremanteng. Oh, Mahamadu Bawumia, sir. Me by my friend on fa.
On a project in quite die off.
Me by my friend on fa. So my casa, Omechirim.
Rebecca, so the Kurano, ye, sending no frabbe, my die off, and no naturally politicians, no, sending a dodona fake. Also, what NGO, who could be a president in a worker, I don't do free, a bang where NGO at Guza. So, and you, the way politicians know, do money, but me menyan in TS, Dodo Nano, Omunye 2 minutes parliament, ya na omu colleagues in encourage you, say, Omun join Akoto. And sa influence, yeah, sa influences ne free obano, and no necessary woman dreamy Emma, a Timodini, woody bo madrimoa. Woman to me, no, my name right.
And to parliament, why no money?
David, they announce Omoko Sumbimu, Lura, near me bimu, because almost Romonqua, Tiano Pibia bomb by. So, a brofuni yebi, but I be before no sebi, I do not harry nintino, only yepe na a timim almost Sakurana, woman ye for my man honona say. A very, very bad. Very, 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 very bad. Very, very, very bad. And your papa. On the quiet the only future nipa. And this is cano, a 2 cent yeji, loan send yeji, after morning in the Sika Sammy day, Ghana esumia here into me aquine, in future nipaza. Now, Kohe, a Daya Kessia, Ghana, say, cried woman you money meaning Bakubi, Tafo, Empino. Only crown or dark a CBC noon, or buy just 1 term. Yes, just 1 term. Or Yesika Hino as a dear. That young man. Oh, 40 years to Crownia, or when you be at 32, 35. So, one man and man, so I would impend for new future for me. And baby, a politics said, Drunidia. 1 year over Transiacas, Woody. Nina ya do consent wonfa ho a ye chichiri ya de fufura wonfa ho mehyemuno etudi edin wa begu ani so because enipa do mo hu rua politics mu no dangerous magana, very, very dangerous. Baby we are see do no what the throw politics are when begu ase sir baby we are because what the throw politics when begu ase when begu ase obetima try but won succeed emwa wo baby a wow. SSC, no cray, see a dinner cray, ever to Tony, ye now, just anima. Oh, yeah, any pano, baby, I see no, near Bessia and Essiano, more Luciano, Enquisive. Enquisive. Oh, Enquisive, into Omun to choose some copy, Obia, Abi or no so bet me, Addo, more Genesika, Boasen or no, yet. So no, almost one more. I tell you, we will ban a cost for near the also what. Oh, when you're the baby, you've been in one sound of fat. More policy when we have a $100. Yes, no.
Last week it came we. Last week, Cramocon fear. Sammy Coco said, Can you pop when you or NPP? I and a man throw. The same thing was a baby. I don't know. I did part of Gyamfi. I bought some criminals.
When baby Bessa Sicibio say, or more castrati, a baby or matrasia plan say. You be you way if we are near you, we near it, say before. So, ain't you know where they say Monketra? And you know, be and fanacum and Niagro, more be and fanacoma in Niagro Sanima will. Momo magino pose. Adie na pro eyin kamboni adepe bi entimi firi moma. Let's forget about them. Na yentwi yeni enkuye nim emmonto freedom ye educate na fe womo ewumu a ehu nsuba no ne ya ebi ayentimi trust womo no ne ya hwe honsu ye because nipa no bi ho a omo gi ye ho contract sheda be see mu no critical confusion.
Presidential candidate na okwa election lose a watimi akọ subsequent election wanya 1 million. Ti Dr. Bawumia so otimi nya 1 million kwa odbeka 4.6 no a 5.6 straight I want to NDC for the no I 6.3 until 2020 Bawumia na obesan awe. Ti Samira Bawumia adara ukunu awe ya now to Owusu and they san prepare another soon ba akuda wanim. Na su kese no ebeba 2028 2029 so lusu a onya 32 or 28% na ehọ na NPP for be chọ letter dey abere so resign and the ehọ na don say be good ti na boy ana me kunu ya pan everybody mo ehọ esu kase na beba 2028 me say NPP without entro without propaganda yentwa entro ane no krese emfa mata ho yenkoye say me say NPP for be catch there ye say tama na eti akurasi o omo say check ya ye de ko Bank of Ghana akwa sign ayi sika ade abetua Kweku akuafo ka no kofo na no ye position leader na sign run say one sign NPP entro NPP ni biamfa fon Kennedy Agyapong tie mi Dr. Bawumia kwade on timi fa fon Kennedy Agyapong Kojo Kyeremanteng Agyapong obia ni party office wana sabio na nimya fari obetwa Kennedy Agyapong enti ade na omoye no they did it at the blank side of Kennedy Agyapong na a sign of disrespectfulness ye mu na obu nipa obetimi akwati committee obi co-chairman without the person's consent. The MPP adunu me say I'm also speaking per my checks. Dr. Bernard Champo obia nini nkomo na baabi omo de MPP akodunu na Jason Fimpo akodua party no ebegu ewo ni tiri so o Jason Fimpo akodua yes san letter we our sign no da bay ana mo no honorable Ken Kasai da bay ana mo ne Brian Kasai did Brian also consent sadewe abusa for some DNTS free MPP mu no yetia ana chama wuntumi di ni 50th birthday na Robin Peter to pay Paul as part on the 50th birthday was say watch ambulance or donate wo wakwa say forest atutu nsuo asay nnua asay forest awie sika say o de kwakwa donation e de ama ayarefo na fi de nyankopɔ begi sanchi be ma sanchi dawi chama wuntumi ka kire yese na nado MPP na atwam sesia eye Bawumia MPP eye Bawumia People's Party chama wuntumi anumtom na ye nim se eye MPP enti ada mo ka se eye Bawumia People Party no ana ejai kwoti the base enti mo ana mo nti die nti ayate the base no ene ye kire mo ase omo se nye MPP biemo chama wuntumi se chama wuntumi just is not just an ordinary person. He's a member of the National Council because he's the Asante Regional Chairman or say enye MPP na eye nanado pa MPP na nanado party ene eye Bawumia MPP enti eye BPP Bawumia's People's Party na ye be join because of say eye MPP and na mo say Bawumia Party ye gya ye ko mo mfa ma de yempe ni ade ehye ato ye ne muntam mo call radio so a mo nton mo party mo can the base we will come after you have traveled South America aboaje me say MPP on open party the whole world the whole Africa the whole Ghana or me confused party MPP America aboaje say obo Bawumia dia they will come in 3 folds to attack you. The communication director Richard and Hiagba say yen soman HSF omo the most confused party. What's the confused party? Ye base brabe join it. As simple as ABCD. As simple. Now, secret be me baba catch na cheme. Na Kevin tell ye tunufu. Na se also Sam George. Didn't ba hwe form say two keka bi che Mahama cry himself. Anti Kevin tell no. And this for nya day. Say I fear poker say and 24 hours na aso. Chama wuntumi. Were a member of the NPP National Council. Were Asante Regional Chairman. Me wunsa ne ba ohene ba say Kevin Taylor so ba apologize. Ohene ba we and be a microphone. Ema no ana obeka say Lord na Mahama e ko di dwa ojo maba. Oba na Mahama ahama Lordina made. Ama Lordina kwato ofiri awade ase. Na former president bi che former president bi. Mi busamo. President John Dramani Mahama se nyame ma ne kwatenten ema onu twa ne 4 years new year. He is the only president ya watch more than 8 years as Ghana president. O man peni ko twa 8 years okoye. O wiye na sa wuntumi TV station abro nya kwatena ho. And was say President John Dramani Mahama, then former president, one standogwe yedi akwa amwa nyemono. Na mo say obi akasa etia omampeni kufo men support too. But they say ho behunu mpoatwa na wo de kromani aka akere nipa odi ka de respect omampeni kufo e disrespect omampeni kufo e ya abronye at the National Council meeting. Abronye Richard Annan no be kan wo san di duo matem na sabio mo na mo ye hu se kwa da omampeni kufo e betima di na tem ana ma Kevin Taylor ko di ye abronye ana odi kan kwa disrespect omampeni kufo at National Council meeting. Ama Dr. Richard Annan no be kan mo sa ma abronye ko di Richard Annan no matem ama bi so omampeni kufo to se bia me ke the NPP for omo ko obi bom na so omo obi mba na omo bom na former president no ebi so chen bi ana me I don't subscribe to say omampeni kufo nipa say ono ba ya obema Ghana 1 cedi ene $1 ye pe omampeni kufo na be chiche Ghana economy ma Ghana for mo abruche e ko do so ma Ghana emi de me bunu but you say Mona mo invited the attacks on omampeni kufo no because how could di Mahama tema obi wa be di Bawumia atem and obi wa be di kufo atem and obi wa be di Nana-Addo atem enti mo pe clean dia mo stay clean chairman won't a whole regional chairman say Lord na Mahama bua fuso onware wa Afriyie adaya okwa kodi dwa e di aba oba na Mahama ebutu omu made so hama no na present emua etianim hwe mo makasa asemu omo anim se omo ambo Kennedy Agyapong amane ana omo de Kennedy Agyapong din ache ho and omo asanso akotwa this fake letter with honorable Ken letterhead edi aba na omo aba be se omo nominate Kennedy Agyapong na Kennedy Agyapong decline mo abeche mwawe jata beche mwawe me shara me kan sa twa propaganda matna power aye propaganda abeye 38.2 matna power aye propaganda anya 38.2 ana masa ba opposition adaso ye propaganda na mo ahwe ya mo benya 3%. This is not Kennedy Agyapong signature. This is not Kennedy Agyapong. Me share that America and say if you honorable can come. It is not from our camp. Here, omo Kennedy Agyapong amanu. And omo adi ni din esha baby. Na botaya omo de ya sa adi ne say. Bawumia omo so be lose 2028. Na omo prepare this album against 2032. Now Dr. Bawumia Owusu na say honorable Ken ka so be contest bi ma. Now who is telling say Kennedy Agyapong is interested in this collapsed NPP. Now my baba ka say and you team blame Ken Bawumia. Na ye nyina na ekoye you were the chairman of employment and one and a brand you were the chairman of one interior. And no answer actual letter fake letter we e dia ba say if Kennedy Agyapong come. Honorable Ken ohum me no kasa honorable Ken e one of the site ye yimfidie gidigidi enti Ghana mabunei but twa wudi wo the base yo na me so pa adwuma na ye the member of the base ya me so nsa e de akopa adwuma de ama na abara so kasa wo NPP delegate ya ho be kiro hwe na NPP delegate so me pesa me yi ade bi kira mo hwa ade o me call record me call record here. Me call record here. Delegate Kwabre. Oh. Delegate Kwabre. Sabon. Former no pa. Kwabre delegate. Former no po. And wa frame me adaya. Ne ba e ya da hospital. Opesika akwa akoyi. Sa delegate we. Of me ya friend kai so on to aba Kennedy Agyapong ka kire say. Nya na be kire bi oto na banko. Ko Bawumia ho. Sa wa na ode wa agene ko to ma Bawumia. Oba yare. Me se mo skele bi ko a me mfa ma no. Papa anya hwe abone nya hwe.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.